Hi, my name's Dan. I'm the tutor within the welding section of engineering here at Training 2000. This sector of engineering includes level 2 and level 3 apprenticeships, and they are engineering operative and metal fabricator. These apprenticeships usually have a mixture of tutor-led learning, which includes class-based teaching, learning in the workshop, and learning in the workplace and assessments throughout. However, all learning is currently online and we are following government guidelines. Welding professionals are mostly involved in high-skilled, complex, specialist and detailed work covering a wide range of common and job-specific skills. These can be transferred across the wider engineering industry during the course of their careers. Learners would work on one or more disciplines from sheet metal, plate work, structural steel, pipe and tube fabrication, manual joining, joining machine setting and operation. There will be a variety of assessments throughout these apprenticeships, all of which will make sure you are fully prepared for.